What I've learned over the years with the people I've worked with is that do your thing, give your best, because that's the max that you can do. But if you're not giving your best in what you're doing, then for sure you will feel insecure or you will feel that hey, I did not give my best shot. So obviously वो कहीं ना कहीं reflect होता है. Touchwood, I've been very lucky. I have the most supportive parents. After my 10th and 12th, they used to sit me down, my brother also. And they used to tell me ki, think for yourself what you want to do. We don't mind you being a model. We don't mind you being an air hostess. We don't mind you being whatever you want to be. But then you have to put your best in whatever you do. Touchwood, I've been very lucky. I have the most supportive parents. After my 10th and 12th, they used to sit me down, my brother also. And they used to tell me ki, think for yourself what you want to do. We don't mind you being a model. We don't mind you being an air hostess. We don't mind you being whatever you want to be. But then you have to put your best in whatever you do.
So Meera, welcome. This is Sukarna.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome to eTimes TV. So, what are you doing? What are you up to? If you can tell us.
I'm working on a few things right now. I have a event. I have a trip to Maldives. That's in February. So I am looking forward to that because it's going to be a holiday as well for me apart from work. So that is something online, and I've been in talks for a music video. Hopefully it should happen, and something should be out soon. And otherwise just work stuff, being in talk. जब तक कुछ आप sign ना कर लो, वही phase चल रहा है अभी तो.
So TV में any projects?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying कि TV में एक project है जिसके लिए I'm in talks, but जब तक I don't sign it, so I'm just like waiting, so that I can come out and speak about it.
So you will go on a trip. Like, does it excite you or is it nervous? क्योंकि like pandemic अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So what are your thoughts on it?
So they have started travel for Dubai and Maldives, as far as I know. And yes, I will be थोड़ी सी मैं nervous हूँ, but यहाँ से COVID test होगा. Over there also, you go and you get your test done, and before coming back to India also they do your test. So all these things will be taken care of. Also, I'm not coming in contact with people. So where I'm going to be staying, that resort is also well sanitized, and all these things are being taken care of. So even though I'm going to be a part of an event, it is going to be from distance. I'm not going to be in contact with people. So that way I'm quite secure. So I am really excited actually because I think after a year I'll be stepping out, just to have some fun. So I'm really looking forward to it.
Meera, 2020 was very unusual year for all of us. How was it for you personally and on a mental level? Like, how did you sail through it?
Since the time I have come to Mumbai, touchwood by God's grace, I have been working, and till July it was a pleasant break for us क्योंकि हम सोच रहे थे कि अब जब lockdown खत्म होगा हम जाके shoot resume करेंगे, but then we got to know that our show got terminated during lockdown. So that was not a nice feeling at that point, but वो तभी भी ना sync नहीं हुआ था. Now gradually that I am giving auditions, doing look tests and everything, it hits even more that I was doing a show, and it was just like it wound up like that, and we did not even get to shoot an end also to the show. So yes, that on that aspect it was a little uncertain, but personally I have made a lot of growth. Soon I will have a very nice personal news to share. So so that is something. No, I'm not getting married, but I'm just some other personal news, but I will share that soon, hopefully next month. So that in that aspect I have made a growth for myself, so it has been 50-50 for me.
So as an actor, how insecure does it become जब कोई शो ऑफ एयर चला जाता है? आपका शो खैर लॉकडाउन की वजह से वेंट ऑफ एयर, बट इवन अदरवाइज मतलब कोई भी शो ऑफ एयर जाता है तो एक्टर को लगता है कि अरे मेरे पास शो था, अभी नहीं है, अब मैं क्या करूंगा? हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू? लाइक हाउ डू यू टेक इट पर्सनली?
जब कोई भी शो बंद होने जा रहा होता है या ड्यू टू व्हाटएवर रीजंस, सबको एक भनक होती है. 2-3 महीने पहले से पता होता है कि आर गोइंग इज नॉट गोइंग वेल, बिकॉज रेटिंग्स अपने आप पता चलती है या जो भी है, ये सब चीजें रिफ्लेक्ट करती है. अ पर्सन इज मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट. आप जैसे even when during Udaan we were told once upon a time, एक बार news आई थी that the show is going off around October, and then we got some extension for a year. But at that time also we were all mentally prepared, and we all started looking for other opportunities and everything, and it was fresh for us. It was not एकदम झटकने वाला, but जैसे for Vidya, we were doing slot leaders for 7 PM slot. हम लोग number 1 थे. Our show was doing really nice, really well. तो जब सब सेट था और फिर अचानक when you get to know that अच्छा अब आप वापस नहीं आ रहे, so that hits you. So that's the only thing. But I मतलब obviously जब भी कोई भी शो बंद होता है, it's not just for actors. There are 100 people working on that set. उन सबकी इनकम पे झटका तो लगती है for sure. So this does happen, and it happens on any set and any show, whichever gets terminated or gets shut due to whatever reasons. So yeah, but this is the truth, and this is how life happens.
मीरा, आप जैसे बोल रहे थे कि उड़ान से जैसे आपको बहुत पहचान मिली है, एंड द शो वाज डूइंग वेल, फिर ह्यूमर आया एंड देन इट गॉट एन एक्सटेंशन. ऐसे टाइम में लाइक यू आल्सो मेंशन दैट यू वर स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट इट कि क्या होगा आगे एंड ऑल. तो ऐसे टाइम में एक्टर्स को कैसे मतलब प्रोफेशनली यू हैव टू मेंटेन योरसेल्फ, एंड देन you are also stressed about it. So how do you balance? Like, where do you draw the line?
I feel it comes from within. There are people who are quite vocal about how they feel about certain things happening in their life. Probably जिस तरह से मैंने एक चीज को हैंडल किया, शायद कोई दूसरा इंसान उस तरह से नहीं करेगा. या तो उनका रिएक्शन बहुत ही मेलो होगा या फिर बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम होगा. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन पीपल टू पीपल, एंड हाउ आई थिंक a lot depends on the environment, the set of friends that you have, this how your family reacts to what happens in your professional life. For मतलब ये बहुत जरूरी है, I feel, that your parents or your spouses or your friends understand you that something's not going well for you, and they will just not push you into it. They'll pull you out of it in a very nice way. That is something that's very important for somebody's mental health, because we are actors, and somehow I feel because we are actors, kahin na kahin we are used to that attention, that going on the set, being in front of the camera, being a part of there's a lot of show in that, and a lot of attraction also. So mentally आप बहुत charged रहते हो when you're working, and when something's being taken away from you, I think the people around you have to be responsible to make you feel कि no, it's okay, you will get back to it. So yeah, I think that's more important.
Yeah, once your show is popular, एक कभी कभार शो फ्लॉप हो जाता है, तो एक्टर के मन में भी काफी कुछ इनसिक्योरिटी चलती रहती है. So how do you deal with it?
Look, of course there is pressure of ratings, and especially when you are playing the protagonist or the hero or the heroine of the show, there is a certain kind of pressure. But what I've learned over the years with the people I've worked with is that do your thing, give your best, because that's the max that you can do. But if you're not giving your best in what you're doing, then for sure you will feel insecure or you will feel that hey, I did not give my best shot. So obviously वो कहीं ना कहीं reflect होता है you know, on screen or in the ratings or somehow. So but it is not just an actor who makes a show. There's a big team behind you know, the show that is working on it. There are creatives, there are writers, there are dialogue writers, all of these people. It's a teamwork. So I don't think कि एक इंसान का pressure है कि you know show hit है या flop है. Plus it also depends कि audience को क्या पसंद आ रहा है. बहुत सारी चीजें मैटर करती है. तो I personally I will not take too much of pressure if you know one of my shows does not do that well. But for sure I will make sure from my part कि मैं अपना 100% दे रही हूँ and I am doing the best that I can.
And how was your initial days in Mumbai? Or what were the struggles you faced, or has it been a smooth journey for you?
Well, it was smooth in a way. I was protected. I was secured because I come from a small town, and you know, चाहे कुछ भी बोलो, Bombay or the industry that I work in, there are inhibitions in people's head कि वहाँ you'll go there, वहाँ क्या होगा, how will our daughter, you know, be safe and all these things. My mother was living with me from day one till now, and she does not leave my side at all. So I always have her to, you know, correct me or guide me wherever I need her. But for sure, the initial days were in a way challenging. I have done my hard work, I have done my homework. I used to go for 4 auditions in a day, and my mother used to go. हम लोग सुबह से निकलते थे, शाम को you know रात तक वापस आते थे. फिर because it's so uncertain, people will call you at night कि अच्छा एक look test है, आ जाइए. So it has been like that for me. Once I got Udaan, for sure things got quite smooth after that also. But otherwise, but it has been a fun thing to look back at. I've done it all by myself. I'm self-made, and I'm proud to be who I am right now.
You have been a basketball player, I read.
Yeah.
And basketball player रहते like how did you convince your parents? क्योंकि सबके दिमाग में preconceived notion रहता है कि actor actresses ऐसे होते हैं, industry ऐसी होती है. वो उनको समझाने वाला जो period था या family members को जब पता चला, if you can share some experience from those time.
So I was not just a basketball player. I had when I was in school, I had learned to dance from Saroj Khan and her assistants, and so I was into a lot of things. Plus, I was good at my studies also. But my parents never thought of me to, you know, they used to ask me कि क्या बनना है, what do you want to do after school, and I used to say कि no, I want to be an engineer, like that. And my father is from Mumbai, so he knows how Mumbai functions, and you know, he used to give, like all fathers do, they give you little gyan or morals whenever you do something ulta सीधा या आप ध्यान नहीं देते हो पढ़ाई पे या जो भी है, तो वो सिखाते रहते. So he used to tell me that Mumbai is a very different city. It's very fast paced. यहाँ की life and वहाँ की life is very different, and all these things. So when I told them that, you know, I don't want to be an engineer, they were quite okay. Matlab, there was no loud reaction to it because I touch wood, I've been very lucky. I have the most supportive parents. You know, after my 10th and 12th, they used to sit me down, my brother also. And they used to tell me ki, you know, think for yourself what you want to do. We don't mind you being a model. We don't mind you being an air hostess. We don't mind you being whatever you want to be. But then you have to put your best in whatever you do. That was for sure. And when I told them, they said we give you 1 year because since I wanted to come into acting, college was not possible to, you know, एक साथ होना जरूरी, मतलब हो नहीं सकता था क्योंकि correspondence में आप क्या ही पढ़ाई करोगे. तो they said कि एक है कर लो, अगर नहीं होता है come back and get into college, become an engineer or, you know, become whatever you want to be. So it was quite you know, it was nice that I have such amazing parents, and I feel कि जो बाकी भी स्टूडेंट्स के पेरेंट्स हैं जो बच्चे अभी पढ़ रहे हैं, या I hope their parents also be open to options of उनका बच्चा जो बनना चाहे उन्हें बनने दीजिए.
So उड़ान से पहले भी आपने काफी सारे शोज किए हैं, but उड़ान मिलने तक has there been any low point in your life when you were like कि क्या एक्टिंग करना, कुछ और करती हूँ और ट्राई करती हूँ, और like something like that?
No, so that's what ना. I'm not a person जो बचपन में सोचती थी कि एक दिन मैं एक्टर बनूंगी, या right after my school also I did not think कि मुझे तो एक्टर ही बनना है, ऐसा नहीं था. I wanted to be an engineer. Touch wood, I've been very lucky. I have the most supportive parents. After my 10th and 12th, they used to sit me down, my brother also. And they used to tell me ki, think for yourself what you want to do. We don't mind you being a model. We don't mind you being an air hostess. We don't mind you being whatever you want to be. But then you have to put your best in whatever you do. Bachche pretty hote hain. So it's not the answer I want. So then I asked her, can I be an actor? So, and I was a little chubby around that time. So she said, yeah, but nobody will take you. You look like this right now. So I was like, okay. And but then I spoke to my father. My father said find out an acting school or something like that. And sorry, I missed the question. What was the question? I jumped on to some other topic only.
कभी कोई emotional breakdown हुआ like before getting a big show like उड़ान?
नहीं, तो हाँ, after I was set कि मुझे like I stepped into Mumbai, I was all focused. I wanted to be Tulsi and Parvati and all these people. And at that time, the hit show that was on TV was Ye Hai Mohabbatein. And I used to love Divyanka Tripathi and Karan Patel's chemistry. So, and I used to think, yahi karna hai mujhe. I want to be this. And I was so focused. I used to imagine myself doing all those scenes and everything. So somehow, probably, I manifested my thoughts or however, and attracted things in a similar way. So, I was never low. That never happened to me. Luckily, yeah.
But like, were you insecure about how you look?
No, not at all. Look, I've been told that I am not the most conventionally beautiful person by my own people, like जो आपके अपने होते वही आपको ज़मीन पे रखते हैं. They have, so I know कि ठीक है आप बहुत extraordinarily good looking nahi hai, but then I have my own spunk, I have my own spark, I'm a cute person, I know all these things for myself, and I'm pretty comfortable in my skin. So I like the way I look, and I think, so in my head, I am like, I am nice, I am pretty. So I think that works for me.
But matlab, actresses ke life are so exposed on social media, and like you get all these like hate, negative messages like trolls, body shame, fat shame and all. How do you stay positive? Like how do you deal with it? जैसे आप बोल रहे थे कि आपके घर वाले भी बोलते हैं कि तू इतनी conventional नहीं है, but like in your head you look pretty and you are happy, which is what it should be.
Yeah.
So how do you filter out negative?
Luckily, I have an amazing set of followers on social media, although they are not lots, but who are quite appreciative. There are like, if there are 500 comments on a picture, there is hardly one jo bolega, "Arey, tu kitni gandi dikhti hai," something like that, or probably body shaming or a vulgar comment. But then there are 200, 300 other comments. They say, "Oh, you're so pretty," "Oh, we love you," and all these things. And I personally don't go and read har ek comment mein nahi padti hu, because I don't think I need that kind of negativity in life. There's so much to focus on in life. But it's fine. People can say whatever they say, and if you open those accounts and those pages also, they are faceless accounts, and they are faceless people who do not even जिनकी खुद की कोई पर्सनालिटी और आइडेंटिटी नहीं होती है, जो आपके फोटो पे कमेंट कर रहे हैं. तो आई डोंट थिंक कि मुझे उनको इतना भी वेटेज देने की जरूरत है अपने लाइफ में. सो आई डोंट फोकस, बट फॉर श्योर इफ समबडी इज राइटिंग चीप एंड वल्गर कमेंट्स, I will read जब तक बर्दाश्त कर सकते हो, or else I'll write back. That for sure.
Write back.
to people who write cheap stuff, that I do. I don't appreciate ganda. मतलब आप क्या लिखते हो? How can you write such vulgar comments on a girl's picture? It's not nice. So that is something that I stop, because then there are people who will read that and who will know she does not appreciate this. So if we write something like this, she'll write back. So yeah.
So you think it's necessary as a celebrity also that to not stay silent and give it back to them?
Yeah, because at the end of the day, I am also a human and I am also a girl, and because whatever followers know me, but then there is another world that does not know that I'm an actor, that does not know. They will just know me as a girl, and my self-respect and my dignity, and if I am not comfortable somebody looking at me in a dirty way or writing a dirty comment on my picture, I have all the right to object that. And it is not just objecting for myself, it is objecting the mentality, because सिर्फ मेरे ऊपर comment नहीं करेंगे वो, और 50 लड़कियों के ऊपर करेंगे, and कहीं ना कहीं उस सोच को रोकने की जरूरत है, which is why I write back.
And do you feel pressurized to be on social media, or do you feel कि social media presence या कितने followers है that matters in an actor's life professionally to get any project or bag a role?
See, I think daily soaps में I have never experienced किसी को Instagram पे जाके देखना कि इसके कितने million followers है या कितने followers है. Daily soaps में तो मैंने नहीं देखा ऐसे casting होते हुए, but for sure वेब सीरीज या फिर म्यूजिक वीडियोस और इन सब चीजों में योर पॉपुलैरिटी ऑन सोशल मीडिया डज प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. So yes, there is, up to 2 years back, I was pretty much okay in my skin. I used to post a picture in a blue moon जब मुझे लगा कि oh, this is a nice moment, I want to put it on Instagram. It used to be like that. Now it is be active on social media because people want that. People want to see you every day. So yes, now it is. शुरू में pressure था. Now I'm getting into it. तो मेरे लिए अब वो pressure नहीं है. Like I told you, how the world is changing, I'm trying to just move along with the world. And it is important also in a way. So yes, in some aspect में मैंने देखा है कि it does play a big role. So yeah, I'm trying to up my game.
What angers you, or like what irks you? Because मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, you are coming across as a very positive person. Like कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपको बहुत गुस्सा आया हो?
I don't like people who around the bush, or who will not who are not direct, because that is not something I appreciate. I am a very easy person to talk to, and whoever knows me, I expect ki just be open, be direct. So that is something that ye personally bola maine. Professionally, what irks me is somehow even now, because हम लोग जब काम करते हैं, there are 100 people on a set, and the production people or any department is mostly it's a male dominated set. मतलब out of 100 people there might be 60 guys and 40 women. ये भी number मैंने ज़्यादा बोला है, ऐसे होता है. And कई बार क्या होता है, because we are girls and what हम जब बोलते हैं कुछ चीज तो सामने वाला इतना वजूद नहीं देता, या they don't give you that kind of importance. Just because I have experienced a girl, they will not give you that kind of importance ki okay theek hai, we'll do it. It's like that. And the way of talking to you is very casual. They don't give you the kind of respect that you should get. Somehow you have to command it being in a circle. And I am not a person who will be rude or who will be bossy in any way, or I will not command respect in that way from anyone. So this is something that professionally has got onto me sometimes, that and I've probably did it also my way now to command that kind of respect. But it does happen वो थोड़ा सा डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो जाता है. Although I think it's a very controversial thing to say on my part. Huh?
So this is a set experience you shared.
Not just one set experience. I've experienced this on a lot of places, work-wise.
So you think that should also change? कि female actors को कैसे treat किया जाता है?
नहीं, मतलब कुछ ऐसे बुरे वे में ट्रीट नहीं किया जाता, but I'm just saying कि the kind of because I've felt there is some kind of discrimination that happens around. It's not that women are treated badly, but I'm just saying कि a certain kind of respect that's जो हमको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, that you treat me in a certain way, वो सीख करने के लिए sometimes it has been a problem with me. So probably, or maybe because I am too mild or mellow, maybe because of that. But yeah.
Meera, tell us, like Udaan is an iconic show, and like you all got very popular with that show. So how has life been during being a part of the show and after? मतलब लोगों का response कैसा था, family का response कैसा था आपके और?
It was the response was also as I was. We had an incredible team working on Udaan. The set of actors and the writers and the creatives, the direction department, everyone. Because the show ran for 5 years, so we came in after 1.5 years. Within 6 months, we were like a family. मतलब हम लोग सुबह आते ही और like our director used to ask us, नाश्ता क्या करोगे? So it used to start like that. Even when we used to do scenes, it used to be a very सब तरफ से inputs आ रहे. A creator will suggest something. The hero will suggest something, our director would suggest something, so it was a team and which worked in our favor. And yeah, so it has been amazing working on that show, and we got a lot of fame, we got a lot of acknowledgement for the work that we have done. So it has been amazing, and to be honest, like I think अब तो बंद होके 2 साल होने आए, and even then I am still like the memories are so fresh for me कि मैं ऐसे पीछे चली जाती हूँ whenever I discuss about or talk about Udaan. It was that amazing for us. And all of us are still in touch. We keep talking, meeting. So yeah.
And उस time पे family का कैसा response था?
It was just my mother who brought me here, and there was not a lot of backing from the rest of our family. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, inhibitions in the head was for sure there, but all our relatives and everybody watched me, and they were so proud of me. They used to call my mother every day and talk to her that I've given this message for her. So I think for my mother, it's very proud feeling that her daughter is doing such a big show, and there is half a city who's just acknowledging the fact and praising her for that you got your daughter there, so it's an amazing thing you've done for her. So yeah, for that it was for her it was very overwhelming, and for the relatives too.
So in your journey as an actress, which moment has been very proud for you, like you have felt that yes, this is it?
There have been a couple of moments, but the first one that came to my mind was Udaan ka 1000 episode party, because our show accomplished 1000 episodes, and out of which we had done some 700 episodes after grown up ones. So today everyone was glowing, like every person in that party who's worked on that show, it was glowing and was so happy, and that was a moment for us. Otherwise, a couple of moments, one was special for me when there's this called thing called Ormax characters. There's a ranking in Ormax characters. There's something like that. So one fine day my creative director called me and he told me that, hey, you know what, your character has come on the rank from the 11th to the 7th or the 5th or something like that as Chakor. So that was huge for me because it is the most loved characters on television and I was in the top 5. So it was big for me. And whenever I go out also, people still, aap Chakor mein aate ho na, aap Chakor mein aate ho. So that is very, it's a very proud feeling for me. So Udaan was, this is it for me. It was a big milestone for me. And after Udaan ended also, the work that I did was because of Udaan. Matlab, there were people who called me up and there were people who connected with me because of what I had done previously. So yes, so Udaan was, this is it for me. Ab aage I hope ki aur bade moments aaye and I get to share more moments with you.
Meera, both the shows, Udaan की बात करें या विद्या की बात करें, you have played like rural characters. अभी going forth TV में किस तरह के roles आप करना पसंद करोगे?
Something that's not rural. Because even after Vidya ended, I got a couple of calls for rural based characters and they were like really wanting me on board, but I made a choice not to be a part of such shows now because I think I want to show my credibility and my versatility as an actor, and I want to do something different. I want to do something new, whatever comes my way. अगर हम डेली सोप की बात कर रहे हैं तो फॉर श्योर वो जैसे हमारी डेली सोप की हिंट्स होती हैं वैसी ही होगी, बट फॉर श्योर इट शुड नॉट बी रूरल. दैट विल बी माय एफर्ट. मैं एक सिटी की बहू बनूंगी.
And also, like, if you are given a modern character role and suppose future में जाके आपको mother play करना पड़े, many actors do opt, but what are your thoughts?
I played a mother. So in Udaan, I played a mother of an infant. I played a mother of an 8-year-old. I played a mother of a 20-year-old also because I was part of 3 leads in Udaan. So after that, I quit because 20 was too much. Me and Tanya are like really close friends right now, but thank God for that leave that I got a friend. But otherwise I was not. I was 23 at that time, and I was like, okay, this kind of maturity cannot be expected from me. कि मैं 20 साल के बच्चे की माँ लगूं. So that was, which is why I quit the show. But otherwise, I have played a mother, and I don't mind playing a mother. Like in future, coming down on the line, 5 saal baad, 10 saal baad, if I'm looking like it. Yeah, if I'm given a teenager as a child and if the part's really nice, if the story is really nice, for sure I'll be playing a mother. I have no issues, playing a mother.
Also, Meera, at a young age, you are now a known personality. Like you have fan base, people know you and all. How does it feel to achieve so much at this young age?
I have not achieved so much. I want to achieve so much at the age that I am. I've not achieved so much. For sure, I have been lucky. I've done good shows, and I have been blessed that people know me as for the characters that I've played, and little so for the personality that I am. But there's a lot to achieve. There's a lot to be done, and so yeah, I'm still like unsatisfied. I want more. So when I go there, I will call you and I'll tell you how that feels at that time.
Also, on that note, what's your relationship status?
Single. That's what I told you. I'm not getting married next month, but I am single, and yeah, I'm happy in the space that I am. So I'm pretty much okay.
How do you unwind yourself?
A perfect unwind for me is either I have friends over at home and we call for some food and we just laze around on the sofas and we'll just put on some movie or we'll gossip or we'll talk, something like that. That's what I do. But otherwise, if it's after a long day of work or something like that, I'll either put some music or I love reading books. So I pick up any book and I read for some time and then just go off to sleep. I am very particular about my sleep timing. So, for me, that I count my hours of sleeping. मतलब अगले दिन के कॉल टाइम से फिर I count back 8 hours and then अगर वो 11 बज रहे हो या 10 भी बज रहे हो, I am off. Then nobody can, call me or message, nothing like that. So that is something. So unwinding for me is reading, sleeping, or chilling with my friends. Yeah, that's about it.